In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step on how to make $3 every 30 seconds using Google Docs. And after a couple of hours of easy work, picture this. You just received a sweet $450 payment notification straight into your PayPal account, all thanks to Google Docs. I'll spill the beans on the top 3 platforms that pay you for using Google Docs and show you the easiest route to your first payout. So buckle up, and let's get this money-making journey started. First things first, fire up Google Docs. Easy peasy. You can either head straight to docs.google.com or simply search for Google Docs and click on the first result. Now, check out this little document I've got here as our guinea pig. See those red underlines? They're like little money-making indicators because each misspelled word is a potential paycheck waiting to happen. Take editing and cont, for example, clearly misspelled. But fear not, Google Docs has your back with its nifty grammar corrector and spell checker tool. Just head over to Tools, click on Spelling and Grammar, and select Spelling and Grammar Check. And now it's error corrected. It's like having your own personal editor. See how it suggests the correct spelling for every misspelled word. Just hit accept and watch those errors disappear. Rinse and repeat until your document is squeaky clean. And guess what? Each correction is a step closer to cashing in. The 3 websites I'm going to mention now are your ticket to turning those proofreading skills into a steady stream of income. The first secret website is proofreadingservices.com. This platform is a heavyweight in the game, boasting over 25,000 clients, including some major players in the industry. They're constantly on the lookout for skilled proofreaders to spruce up their content. So how do you get in on the action easy? Head on over to their website and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on Careers, then hit Online Proofreading Jobs. Here's where the magic happens. The beauty of proofreadingservices.com. You can do this gig from anywhere in the world. Yep, you read that right. They welcome applications from every corner of the globe, offering both part-time and full-time positions. And the best part, they pay handsomely, ranging from $19 to $46 per hour, depending on how speedy you are. That's where our trusty Google Docs tool comes into play. It'll help you zip through those proofreading tasks in no time, maximizing your earnings potential. Ready to jump in? Just hit apply to be an online proofreader and you're off to the races. But wait, there's a little hurdle, a proofreading quiz. Don't sweat it though, it's a breeze. Answer a few multiple choice questions, whip up a quick writing sample, and you're golden. And hey, if you ever hit a snag, remember our buddy ChatGPT is here to save the day. Once you're done, hit submit and keep an eye on your inbox for your first task. Piece of cake, right? The second secret website is FlexJobs.com. It's touted as the #1 site to find remote jobs, and they're pretty darn good at it too. Scroll down a bit and you'll see they accept people from anywhere in the world, as well as anywhere in the US. With about 40,000 online jobs from more than 5,000 companies, it's a goldmine. Here's the drill. Just type in the keyword proofreader and hit search. Boom! You're greeted with a plethora of opportunities waiting for someone with your skills. Take this listing, for example, posted just 6 days ago. They're offering $18 to $20 per hour for a temporary or part-time gig. Want more? How about this one seeking full-time employees, dishing out between $60,000 to $75,000 per year? And trust me, the list goes on. Now pay attention to the hiring preferences. Some listings are open to folks worldwide, while others might be restricted to specific countries like the United States. So once you spot the perfect gig, it's time to make your move. Click on Sign Up to create your free account. The registration process is a breeze. Just fill in your first and last name, your email address, and set up a password. Oh, and when they ask where you heard about them, just give a nod to YouTube. Then check the box and hit Sign Up today. Simple as that. And finally, the third website is HigherSign.com. This platform is the cream of the crop when it comes to pay, offering an impressive $50 per page. What sets HigherSign apart is not just its lucrative pay scale, but also its user-friendly interface and flexible scheduling options. Imagine having the freedom to work on your terms, fitting proofreading tasks around your schedule with ease. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the world of proofreading, HigherSign welcomes freelancers of all levels of experience. Signing up with HigherSign is a breeze. With just a few clicks, you can create an account and start browsing available proofreading opportunities. And the best part, You don't need to jump through hoops or navigate a complicated application process. HigherSign values simplicity and efficiency, making it an attractive option for freelancers looking to monetize their proofreading skills. But let's remember the earning potential. With HigherSign's competitive pay rates, you have the opportunity to earn a substantial income from your proofreading endeavors. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or pursue proofreading as a full-time career, HigherSign offers the flexibility and financial incentives to support your goals. So, why not give HigherSign a try with its enticing pay rates, flexible scheduling options, and user-friendly interface? It's no wonder why many freelancers turn to HigherSign to monetize their proofreading skills. Who knows where this opportunity could take you? It's time to seize the moment and embark on a rewarding journey with HigherSign. Thanks for sticking with us until this point in the video. We have a special bonus website for you that will help you multiply your earnings. You can also tap into the vast pool of clients on Fiverr.com. Fiverr is not just any platform. It's a bustling marketplace where freelancers from all walks of life converge to offer their services and expertise. It's like a digital bazaar where you can showcase your skills and attract clients from around the globe. Here's the deal. Fiverr is a goldmine for freelancers, offering a myriad of opportunities to earn money by leveraging your unique talents. Whether you're a seasoned proofreader or just dipping your toes into the freelancing world, Fiverr provides a platform for you to shine. By posting your gig on Fiverr, you gain access to a massive audience of potential clients who are actively seeking your services. Now here's where it gets exciting. Take a peek at the prices listed on Fiverr: $100, $65, even $200 just for proofreading. The earning potential is staggering, and it's not uncommon for freelancers to command high rates for their expertise. And hey, if you're just starting out, no worries. You can set your prices lower to attract your first few clients, much like this gal charging a mere $6. It's all about building up your reputation and clientele, and establishing yourself as a reliable and skilled proofreader in the eyes of your clients. But here's the beauty of Fiverr. As you rack up more jobs and garner glowing reviews, you can gradually hike up your rates. With each successful project completed and each satisfied client served, your value as a proofreader increases, allowing you to command higher prices for your services. It's a testament to the power of building a strong reputation and delivering exceptional work consistently. So why not seize the opportunity and create your Fiverr gig today? With its vast reach, flexible pricing options, and potential for exponential growth, Fiverr is more than just a platform. It's a gateway to unlimited earning potential and professional success. Embrace the possibilities and let your proofreading skills shine on Fiverr. Thanks for joining me on this video to uncover the top 3 proofreading sites online and unlock the potential for earning as a freelance proofreader. Now that you've got the inside scoop on proofreadingservices.com, FlexJobs, HigherSign, and the exciting opportunities awaiting on Fiverr, it's time to take action. Are you ready to turn your proofreading skills into a profitable venture? Start exploring these platforms today and seize the opportunity to earn serious cash from the comfort of your own home. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on making money online. See you in the next video.